Do you suffer from knee pain, swollen legs, or numb hands? This isn't just aging, it's collagen loss silently weakening your joints and muscles. According to scientific sources, collagen production in the body decreases by an average of 1% per year after the age of 30. This decline leads to visible signs such as skin aging, joint problems, and muscle weakness. Collagen is like glue that holds your joints, skin, and ligaments together. But after the age of 30, we lose about 1% every year. By 60, most of it is gone. That's why walking becomes harder, joints feel stiff, and swelling appears out of nowhere. The good news? Certain fruits can naturally trigger collagen production again. Backed by science, these 8 powerful fruits have been shown to reduce pain, improve mobility, and fight inflammation, sometimes in just a few days. Let's start with kiwi and pineapple. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, essential for collagen creation. Pineapple contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme that reduces inflammation and eases swelling around the knees. Next are papaya and guava. Papaya helps break down proteins into collagen-building blocks, while guava has 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. Dark-colored berries like blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry not only support collagen formation, but also protect it from being destroyed, thanks to their rich antioxidant content. And at number 1, amla, or Indian gooseberry. It's one of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C and is scientifically proven to reduce knee pain by up to 42% and boost collagen density in aging joints. So don't wait. Just eating 2 or 3 of these fruits daily can help your body rebuild collagen, ease swelling, and bring comfort back to your steps. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong.